Okay, so in this video, we are going to do some subtraction with negative integers. We are going to take -4 and subtract -7. That does sound, from this position, that sounds impossible, right? We only have 4 negatives. How can we take away 7? Well, we need to find a way to add in more negatives to this pile. Right now, this pile's value is -4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 negatives, so it's valued at -4. We need to find a way to add in more negatives so that we can take away 7, because 7 is greater than 4. All right? There is an interesting workaround for this problem. Anytime we put a positive and a negative together, we talked about this in the last video, they make 0. This is called a 0 pair. A positive and a negative added together ultimately equals 0. Okay? So if we add this negative pair to our group of -4, or I'm sorry, if we add this 0 pair, this is a 0 pair. If we add this 0 pair to our group of -4, the value of the group stays at -4 because this pair equals 0. This is 4 negatives and a 0, okay? But if you notice, when we look at the group, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negatives. So we found a way to add in another negative while keeping the value of the group the same. But remember, we need to take away 7 negatives, so we need to add in a couple more so that we can take away 7 negatives from this group. So we'll add in another 0 pair. Now we have 6 negatives, 2, 4, 6. But these pairs equal 0, so the value of the group is still -4. If we add in one more 0 pair, now you can see that we have 7 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But these 3 negatives are attached to a positive, which means that their value is 0. Our group still has the value of -4. These are our 4 independent negatives. But we have now added in 3 more negatives to our group so that now we can take away -7 safely. We take away the 7 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now you can see that we're left with 3 positives. This means that -4 minus -7 is +3.